Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to undo repost on Instagram. So first things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. To do that, if you're using Android, just go to your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. If you're using iPhone, just go to your App Store and then search for Instagram. If you see the update button, then all you need to do is tap on update and wait as it is updating. Once done, launch your Instagram, and then to see your reposted content or videos, then what you're going to do is you have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. You have to click this one right here to see your reposted content. So this is the repost section. You will see here the contents, pictures, reels that you have reposted. And in order for you to simply remove this or undo repost, all you have to do is to tap. If you see delete option, just click. If you don't see the delete option, then simply tap on the repost icon to remove or undo the repost. As simple as that. But again, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram. As you can see, I have removed or undo the picture, the videos, the reels that I have reposted. And basically, that's how easy it is. Now, when it comes to stories, you just have to tap your story at the top of the home screen, find the reposted story, then tap on the three dots at the bottom right, select delete and delete from story. And that's how you delete reposted story on your Instagram. Again, if you encounter some problems, you need to update your Instagram in order for you to fix the problem or to use this method. And that's how to undo repost on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.